Hey, welcome back to the channel. Toby's Video Skills with Toby. That's me. In today's video, we will look at the LF Pro's parking heater. And this one is the parking heater Pro. That's what I call it. So it's a diesel heater Pro. It is a split device, so nothing's assembled. It comes just to assemble yourself. Compared to the all-in-one N2 Pro up there is a video which I recently did for this winter season. And last year already, there's another video, I forgot the name, the other one, which is a smaller all-in-one device and also cheaper. This price point is around 400 something, I believe, for just this split phase without installation, anything like that. But usually what's cool about the LF Pros is that they are actually high quality. So I hope to see the high quality already when you take everything out. And I want to tell you now already, this is a two-part video. This is just the unboxing and show you what's in the box. We'll do the installation itself together. You guessed it right. Maybe you didn't guess, but we'll do it in this Harbor Freight box. It's not just a box, it's similar to a Pelican case we're doing this. And this one is from Harbor Freight, so most likely the most possible cheapest box you can get. But we'll put the tank as well as the unit, the diesel heater itself, in here. And at the end, we want to mount it on the Jeep. I want to show you at the end where I want to mount it, so you have an idea what's the part 2 video at the end and will look like going forward. Subscribe to the channel in case you want to follow this build as well. Let's get to what's in the box first. And spill-proof cap here. We do have the fuel pump itself. We do have the diesel heater, the unit itself. We do have the display, the controller unit, and best packaged units I've ever seen, to be honest. This is insane. So here you can see it. LF Pros. Look at this wiring harness. This is pretty nice. Connector, the fuel line. We do have the muffler. We do have all the installation hardware, including a fuel filter. So we do have the metal plate, different templates, etc., all those kind of things, so you understand how to put it together. Okay, now you have heard about this 5 kilowatt LF Pro's diesel heater, and you've seen what's in the box and what they deliver with it. And we try to use everything what's in the box. Actually, we will need even more parts. I want to put this in this Pelican similar product, basically a travel case or whatever you want to call this one, a Harbor Freight box. People put probably their accessories in there or cameras and stuff like that. In our case, I want to do the installation of the diesel heater itself in here. So now you get an idea. I still have to do a lot of more research in terms of what parts I want to use, what I want to get additionally, but also how I want to mount it, because it comes with a 10-liter tank. I don't know if I will use that one or a different one. Haven't decided on that yet, but I want to show you where I want to mount it. So the idea is to mount it somewhere over here, basically that it can be running off, basically off the side, either driver or passenger side. I will figure that out, but something like that, so I have all the exhaust, intake, etc., etc., everything else basically somewhere clean installed here, and it's mounted to the roof rack, or maybe even to the molded panel back here. So since you landed here and watched this video until this point, which is basically the end, thanks for watching. But next video, as mentioned, subscribe to the channel if you want to watch that next section as well, will be the actual installation and manipulation of this case, this Harbor Freight case, where we'll install this diesel heater in, but probably not this tank. But in case you want to do something similar, there are tons of videos out there. I'll do my research now, get the parts I need, and then we'll follow up with the video next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers!